More packages for video review. I know what is this. This is from Super Clean. So they are nice enough to send me new product all the time. This is a cleaner for the cars. We're gonna use that, and there's two versions of it: spray and regular formula. Information about the product and sticker. So here we have our favorite old Honda Civic. This is 2006. As you can see, it's really dirty, so we're gonna try to see. This is to dissolve grease, but let's see if this works here. This is more rust than grease, but the tire must have a lot of it. Well, you can see it dissolving already, look. Let's leave it there for a few seconds. Put a little more here. So there's the spray and the regular what do you call this? A sprayer? I don't know. So let's start. Wow, I think it's cleaning it pretty good. So you see it's only a minute or less than a minute, and it already looks better. Let's see. Oh my God. I missed a spot here. Let's do the other side. Sí, 13%. Estos son derechos. It says it's for grease, but this is rust and it's taking it out. It's not grease, really. I mean, how old is this car? 2006? 8. Yeah, I'm trying a product they sent me. I can do yours if they're really dirty. No. I mean, I don't care. What's this?
What are you trying to do? Get off like
the rust and the grease.
You should wear gloves. Those might be quite hot.
Yeah. Looks better.
Yeah.
On the other side. ¿Esto llega?
Do it again.
I missed a couple spots. That's it. An old car, and it looks much better. So the back tires aren't as bad.
Okay, leave it like that.
I'm gonna leave them that for now, but the front,
it's a good
yeah, really good product. So there you have it. Super clean, dissolves grease, super easy, but it also dissolves the rust from the brakes in this car.
Yeah.
Good job.